And now we visit Drumshanbo and lovely Éadrom, where Larry Cunningham sings us into Trom, agus Éadrom.
Last night I had a pleasant dream. I woke up with a smile. I dreamt that I was back again in dear old Éadrom's Isle. I thought I saw Loch Allen's banks in the valleys down below. It was my lovely Éadrom where the Shannon waters flow. I stood enchanted by the scene of grandeur and delight. I had it all for Carrytown before the dark of night. I passed Shimon, that fairy hill where flowers wildly grow, and I saw the grave of Ben McCool where the Shannon waters flow. The next I saw was Fenagh town with her ancient abbey wall, where the preaching of her holy monks re-echoes through her hall. I stood with reverence on the spot, reluctant for to go. From the town of saints and sages where the Shannon waters flow, I've traveled far to these great lands, from the east unto the west. But of all the islands I have seen, I love my own the best. And if ever I return again, there's one place I will go. It will be to lovely Éadrom where the Shannon waters flow.
Hi Jenny, hello love, how are you? How are you Jenny? Fantastic constante. Sha, ach iad uisle, taimid aspa cahal ta fáilte rot, an seo, agus gribh gachéin seo. Ach iad uisle taimid taka go friere hier, tastan na sean na ríis go dí cún de Éadrome, agus gan áras de béis Larry Cunningham, lovely Éadrom, Tásúla gom ní lovely a bhí sé, nuair a bhí muidne an seo an nómh a lár an tneachta. Plenty of snow around Éadrom today. We got pelted with snowballs. Agus gach an tuairteil. Ach chuir bit taimid an seohanis a chin uisle, agus tá fáilte rih muintir Éadrome ag a glár féin de Trom agus Éadrom. Agus chun tús a chórt leis a glár, ba bhailm go bhailtóg se rih the Ballinamore group agus the Och the Sheelan set dancers. William. The Ballinamore group, agus na Dowshori as ach na Sheelan a chine uisle. Agus táimid mar a dúras a gunda Éadrom. Agus chun tús a chud leis a gainte nocht, agus beag beg an cainte, agus mór an Éadrom, beg an Trom, agus mór an Éadrom. And my hauntain so, wait for the bullabus till the end of it, save time. Joe Mooney, Kathleen Benny Cholomain, agus Father Dermot McCarthy. Fáilte rompa. Dermot, dat je dat zegt, Cadén moet zijn skillsje wie goed voor je acht na Sheelan, dat moest een Austraal nooit tegen. You know Father Dermot McCarthy from Ryerk, of course. And I suppose for his work, and da chudebre Ryerk, tá sé cui agus cóis go níonach sibh an rud ceart. There you are. Cad é seo a hála a bus an Austrráil nuair a dtí?
Tá sé cúpla bliana hinna is agus bhí an Jeffrey láháin dul chuig an airport to Sydney, Australia. And I sent for a radio taxi to get me into the airport in time. It was about an hour's drive away. But a half an hour before the time I was supposed to be there, he still hadn't arrived. So by the time the taxi eventually did arrive, I was up the walls. And I climbed into the back of it as quick as I could, threw in the stuff, and I said, listen, get me to the airport as quick as you can. Go up one-way streets, up on sidewalks, any way you like. I have a plane leaving in an hour's time, and it's the last plane, and it's the only ticket, one that I have a ticket. Last plane possible home. And he turned around on Chimani with those Ara, for God's sake, take it easy. It is far from aeroplanes you were reared. How are they all in on the sheet? Agus nuasti me rodelati to Liam.
Did they get the punchline there? It's as far away from aeroplanes you were reared in, what is it?
He says, it's as far away from aeroplanes you were reared, how are they all in on the Sheelan? Agus, an slí Himan Sheikh again airport, near onlam sé sin riven on the Sheelan nach nid.
All right, Joe Mooney is toch een ander card leg meisje dat stolim agus hard moeilijk is dat die schreef voor je de Leitrim Observer de Langford leader de de schreef voor je gezegd staan met buigtuig. Ach, the Louis the man before perhaps any other who got some gezegd to Leitrim. What makes me laugh is anybody getting some gezegd to do anything. Anyway, is of course Joe Mooney. Stolim. There you are.
Das Liam ba waithlam fáilte ród go chundí Éadrom agus go Drumshanbo. Lulabas.
You got to touch it up much, so. I touch it up much.
Neil to an head Faras Corky.
Hannigan Shaw.
Hannigan Shaw. O'Sullivan Bear and me Shaw. Three kid Liana.
That's gone.
Agus bhí Hampshire go donna. Agus
That's no. Agus cén kid dinelle. Agus cén dinelle Hannig.
35. Was it 35 people?
Yes.
With
the
them,
time condition.
yes.
Shall we talk on men kid dinne? Hannig O'Sullivan Bear. Agus
35.
Sure.
Dina.
Avina Hunter.
And one woman, I think, who there was some doubt about. I was reading there recently that claimed that she was one of the assailants, but it turned out after that she wasn't. That if she was worthy of mention, he would have mentioned it himself when he went back, when he went over to Spain, when he was recording the thing.
Sure.
But we had an Hampshire or an Liam Shakacha, the on real T-shirt.
That's gone.
Sure.
That's gone. My dad. An tostal tá stangur picture sin a go sin in Aitegen. Se tá pictures don sin an tostal. Joe Mooney must be about the only person left in the world who commemorates the tostal still. He celebrated the 21st one recently. A stalling will in Cartagam agus vi still being slow to more dine láhis gach éan blian ag tostal céna. Vi had a gumser van a mohin deleganish fado one poor woman outside in Darky and she thought the tostal was a name for a motorbike. And she went and she would say when God rest the pair of them now they're dead in Vestercoop nach and she would say to her husband with boring regularity, and he was a great age at this time, Frank, she used to say, I hate you going out on that whole tostal. Joe.
We two fan and Shaw.
We may blian a wine.
Couple of blian.
We may.
Brehave Ballade Comortic Ballade. And Ta and Archul and Dr. Archul Ascorky. Dr. Donald Deasy, who has just retired after 40 years service to the people of Leitrim and Drumshanbo.
Come on. Countess de PC Starre, if Joe Mooney a dús de kaintin sin for your Sullivan Bearbocht. Vi a treadlesh O'Neill agus O'Donnell I Gantáile agus the Chilpadro Griefer Laura Stacham alive and shown up from Bantry Bay to Leitrim by Peter Somerville Large. On the 31st of December 1602, O'Sullivan Bear set out from the far southwest of Ireland on the flight to the north. His territory had been invaded by the Lord President of Munster, his castle razed and all his defenders killed, and as the last chieftain in the south holding out in the rebellion, there was a price in his head. In 15 days, he marched over 300 miles, crossed the swollen Shannon in midwinter, fought countless skirmishes and lost the great majority of his people during the hardships of the journey. When he arrived at Leitrim Castle, where he hoped to link up with the other rebels, of the 1,000 who had set out with him, only 35 remained. Nearly all the rest had died on the way. Well, binne an Céad Corcaíoch a Hánig go dtí Éadrom agus is mise an Tarnaceann. Sa sneachta. Yes. Majoler an brú ama bheith nacht, maar de gaan we die kon de Éadrom le bheith géisteach le ceoltóirí agus le bheith Éadrom an féin. Ach, da bhí sin caiimid annach chud ceoltóirí chur isteach sa seo, agus duine de ceoltóirí casag oringen seo, há sí chun písa deasóráinna chana, tá na drumna timppel Éadrom, agus eistruchanna cuibe ina Douglas de Híre, the Castle of Drumore, is se Caisleán drum an óis á chana ag Orla Payson.
Is lo in us